Quick question, who brings presents on a flying broomstick, hides them in shoes, or threatens to eat bad children? No, it's not Santa's evil cousin. These are real Christmas traditions happening right now in 2025. Welcome to Cultural Entertainment TV. Let's circle the globe. Christmas 2025 falls on Thursday, December 25th. But in some countries, the big day is actually January 7th. And in others, the gifts arrive weeks early or weeks late. Tonight, we're visiting 12 countries, one jaw-dropping tradition each. Buckle up. Number 1, Iceland. The 13 Yule lads forget one Santa. Iceland has 13 troll-like brothers who visit one by one for 13 nights. Spoon licker, door slammer, candle stealer. They leave gifts in shoes or a rotting potato if you've been naughty. And their mother, Griela, literally cooks bad children into stew. Sweet dreams. Number 2, Ukraine, spiderwebs on the tree. A poor widow couldn't afford ornaments, so spiders spun silver webs overnight. Now every Ukrainian tree has a spider or web ornament for good luck. Look closely at some trees this year. You might spot one. Number 3, Japan. KFC Christmas. Over 3.6 million Japanese families eat KFC on Christmas Eve. It started with one 1974 ad campaign and became unbreakable tradition. Some premium buckets cost over $400 in 2025. Yes, you have to reserve months ahead. Number 4, Austria and Germany. Krampus. On December 5th, men dress as horned demons with chains and bells, chasing screaming people through the streets. Over 400 official Krampus runs are happening this December. It's terrifying, it's loud, and it's wildly popular. Number 5, Mexico. Las Posadas. For 9 nights, December 16th to 24th, neighbors reenact Mary and Joseph looking for shelter. 2 groups, pilgrims knocking on doors, and innkeepers turning them away until the final house throws a massive party with star-shaped piñatas. Number 6, Philippines. Giant Lantern Festival in San Fernando. Towns compete with 20-foot parole lanterns covered in thousands of dancing LEDs. The 2025 festival is December 20th. It's so bright, pilots use it as a navigation point. Number 7, Norway. Hide all the brooms. Norwegians hide every broom on Christmas Eve because witches and evil spirits come out looking for rides. Some families even lock them in closets, just in case. Number 8, Venezuela. Roller skating to mass in Caracas. Streets close to cars, so everyone roller skates to early morning church from December 16th to 24th. Kids tie strings from their big toes out the window. Skaters tug them to wake everyone up. Number 9, Sweden. Donald Duck at 3 p.m. Every Christmas day at exactly 3 p.m. since 1959, nearly half the country stops everything to watch Kalle Anka, an hour of classic Disney Donald Duck clips. Missing it is basically treason. Number 10, Poland. The empty place at the table. Polish families always set one extra place setting for the unexpected guest or for a loved one who has passed away. Some leave the chair empty all night as a quiet act of remembrance. Number 11, Italy. La Befana, the Christmas witch. On January 5th, a kind old witch flies on her broomstick, delivering candy to good children and coal to the naughty. Kids hang stockings, and many Italian children say Befana is more exciting than Babbo Natale. Number 12, Ethiopia and Eritrea. Orthodox Christmas, Jena. While the world celebrates on the 25th, millions of Orthodox Christians play Jena on January 7th. After 40 days of fasting, they dress in white, play a fierce hockey-like game at dawn, then feast on spicy Doro Wat and injera. And there you have it, 12 Christmas traditions that prove the holiday looks completely different depending on where you stand on the planet. Which one shocked you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this whirlwind trip, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss Kwanzaa, New Year's rituals, and everything coming next. From all of us at Cultural Entertainment TV, Merry Christmas wherever and however you celebrate. See you under the lights.